Hi there, this is a 250 watt 26 inch 250 watt motor with a controller. Sorry, just trying to focus the controller. Yes, a twist throttle with a small LCD, a bag, brake levers, and a pedal sensor. You can see it here. Okay, and we are just going to show you how to connect those wires. Fair enough. So this is the main power socket that plugs in. Yeah, this is the main. So you can see this is the main wire plugged in. Okay, then there are three more wires left from the wheel which is coming that need to be connected. So yellow goes to yellow. Okay, you can see the color coding. Yes, and you can see again the color coding. The green, light blue goes to light blue, and the green goes to green. So the three things, and it is insulated as well. So if you can cover it as well for insulation, that would be great to prevent any burns, any damage to the conversion kit. And then we have the pedal sensor power pedal sensor. And if you look here, the pedal sensor has green, red wire and black, and this one has red, white and black wire. So the wires are not matching. That's very bad of them. That's not a great manufacturing thing. Then you have throttle, and it has white and red wire, and it is going into a, you can see it will go into the wire. It has three wires on it, so red, black and